Welcome to Module 5. In this module, we'll be learning about wireframing. What is wireframing? What is high fidelity wireframing and low fidelity wireframing? We'll learn about the Figma interface. We'll learn about mood boards. So let's go. So what is a wireframe? A wireframe is a blueprint of a screen that shows layout, that shows structure, but not visuals. So there are no colors, no icons, no effects, only structure, just elements where they are meant to be placed, what is going to be contained on a screen, the structure of your page, not visual effect, not aesthetics, structure. So what are the best practices to creating a wireframe? Keep it simple, use consistent spacing, maintain visual hierarchy, and label clearly. You are looking at structure here, so you have to be labeling very clearly. Every element needs to be named properly. Then the Figma interface, what is contained in the Figma interface? You have your menu bar, which shows you how to access your file options, your plugin, your search for commands, and if you're using premium, you use AI tools. Your toolbar, which contains tools for shapes, text, pen, arrows, hands, and comments used to create and edit objects. So this is where you do majority of your actual structuring. So your shapes, your frames, your comments for collaboration, your arrows, your pen for actual illustrations, and that's where you create. Essentially, that's what you use to create and edit objects in Figma. Now, your action bar, it shows the file name and quick options like undo and redo. Your layers panel, it displays all objects as layers. So everything that you create, every object, every element that you create is going to be on your layers panel. It's going to be shown what is the parent layer, the child layer, and so on and so forth. It's going to outline everything that you have created. Then your canvas, it's the main workspace of the design. It's your white screen, it's your white board where you can create anything you want to create. Your properties panel is where you modify any selected object. So if you select an object, you can modify it using the properties panel. The properties panel would display the properties of your selected objects. So size, color, effect, alignment, and so on and so forth. Collaboration and viewing. So share buttons to invite. You can share your file in Figma to invite other people into your workspace, and then you have a play button to view interactive prototypes, to preview your design, to see what you have done. How does it shape up? Then extras, frames act as screens. So every frame you draw is going to be the screen size that you are looking at. So you remember we spoke about responsiveness, which is mobile, laptop, web, tablet in the previous module. So the frames are actually what acts as your screens. Then components are reusable elements, and auto layouts helps with keeping everything responsive. So how do you get started with Figma? You go to the Figma website, www.figma.com, and you get started. You click on the Get Started button, you enter your details and complete a quick verification activity. Once you've done that, Figma will guide you to the screen where you answer a few more onboarding questions, but afterwards, you're already in the digital product. Now that you've seen what Figma is, now that you have entered into the application, you are now going to have to use Figma to work. You have to put Figma to work. And what will you be doing for this module? You'll create 3 low fidelity wireframes in Figma. Low fidelity wireframes, no color, no visual effects, nothing, just structure, well labeled structure. Thank you very much.